In this video, we'll show you how to check recent unfollowers on Instagram. Be sure to follow the steps until the end and let's dive in. First, launch the Instagram app, then tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, use the search bar to type downloads and select download your information. Once you're on that page, choose the option to download or transfer your information. Select some of your information. On the next screen, scroll down until you find followers and following. Then hit next. Finally, click on download to device. You can choose the date range for your download, such as last week, last month, or all time. For this example, we will select last year to see who unfollowed during that time. After making a selection, click Save, then Create Files. In just a few minutes, a file will be created and downloaded to your device detailed about your followers and unfollowers. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.